Ever wondered whether the tedious task of test data management can be simplified? ChatGPT comes for the rescue. One of the intriguing features of ChatGPT is assisting the generation of the data feed for the DB tables. Let us see how we can generate the test data script in this video using ChatGPT. Please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Your support is extremely important for us. We shall chat with ChatGPT with the following requirement. Assume the DB table employee and it has the following columns: name, grade, and salary. Consider the following business logic applied on employee data. Grade will be having the value of enumeration A, B, C. For grade A, the salary range will be 10,000 to 20,000. For grade B, the salary range will be 20,001 to 30,000. For grade C, the salary range will be 30,001 to 40,000. We need to generate the test data insertion script for the employee table by covering the above scenario with all the boundary condition. After generating the test data insertion script, it looks like below. It is able to generate the test data insertion script for the enum specified in grade E, A, B, C. And for each grade it generated the salary range data as well. And thus generated the test data by combining the business logic for the DB tables. It is able to generate the test data insertion script using the human spoken language, and that feature is the most notable feature. Thanks for watching. Please visit and subscribe our channel for more videos.